Hey guys, Todd from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we have something a little bit different for you. We actually have an antique meat grinder here. This thing actually has a date on it on the front here that says April 13th, 86. So we're going to date this about 1886 at 135 years old. This part is completely rusted solid. We're going to totally disassemble it. We're going to clean this up with an aluminum oxide to remove all the rust. Then we're going to go back and glass bead it. Once we're done, we're going to reassemble this entire product and we're going to show you the finished part. Stick around and we'll show you how this turns out. All right guys, this is Todd. We're back with the meat grinder. We've got it cleaned up completely. Got a few parts here that you weren't able to see before. You have the metal blade that goes on the inside. Then this lines up right here on the front. And we put this final piece back on. And we've got a complete working meat grinder again. We are going to go one step further. We're actually going to paint this. So once we're through painting with it, we're going to put up a side by side of that so you can see the difference from where we started to where we're at now, and kind of let you see what you can do with vapor honing. It's not just for auto parts. You can clean up car parts or automobile parts or motorcycle parts. Many different aspects you can use vapor honing for. If you have any questions, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. My extension is 108. Thanks for watching.